Hello, hello, hello! Magandang araw! Welcome to my channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno, or in short, Mismo. At dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love and light sa inyong Tagalog love reading ngayon na mismo. Okay, so ang gagawin natin today ay ang inyong third party. Okay? Situation. Third party love reading. Okay? And alamin natin anong kaganapan sa lahat ng air signs. Okay? Sa Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. So, tingnan natin ano yung masasagot kong energy. And sa third party, just take note na hindi ito laging romantic. So, third party is anything or anyone na may epekto or nakaka-apekto sa connection mo and your person. Okay? Yung energy is contributing sa mga kaganapan between you and your person. So, pwedeng kaibigan, kamag-anak, okay, kapamilya, katrabaho, pwedeng trabaho din mismo, school acads, okay, career, priorities in life, okay, at iba pa. So, pero tignan natin dito, ano ba yung masasagap ng energy. Alright? So, bubunot ako ng tatlong sets, 2 each. So, dalawa for the recent past, dalawa for the present, and dalawa for the near future. Okay? Maraming salamat sa lahat ng Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius na patuloy na sumusuporta sa aking channel. Thank you so much po sa mga bago. Please support by subscribing and also by liking this video. It helps the channel grow para marami pa akong love readings na magawa para sa inyo. See. Yeah. So, I'll take the fourth card dahil April na ngayon. Okay, so recent past, you have the Three of Coins. And the Empress. At present, you have the Queen of Coins. Hubad siya, so tapan lang muna natin dito. And Temperance. And sa near future, you have the Eight of Coins. And, okay, Five of Swords. Okay. Sige, tingnan natin if this is a romantic third-party energy or not. Oh yes, this is romantic third-party energy and medyo mas nagpo-progress pa siya. Okay, with the Knight of Coins na card na lumabas kanina. Alright. So, first, you might be dealing with a Taurus and Sagittarius. So, but doesn't have to. Yun lang yung strong energy na nasasabi sa reading na to. Pero check nyo yung placement ng kanilang Moon, Venus, and Rising. Baka Taurus and Sagittarius sila sa mga placements na yun. Okay, so in the recent past, there's a lot of collaboration. Alam niyo yun, yung feeling mo nag-grow yung yung connection, and I can see naman that nag-effort din naman yung person mo sa relationship, and there was this so much abundance and care, and even the sensual part of the relationship is doing great, lalo na nung honeymoon stage ninyo. Okay, however, this person got involved in a romantic relationship with another person, as shown here kanina, and as I mentioned, progressing siya. Okay. At the present moment, with the Queen of Coins, aware ka, kaso, dahil ayaw mo lang ng drama, okay, ayaw mo lang ng medyo may fear ka when it comes to confronting your person, alam mo na may iba. Pero natatakot kang i-confront, and mamaya alamin natin bakit, but why there's this fear of confrontation. Kasi parang ikaw parang mas naging practical ka na lang na parang maayos din to. Parang ganun yung parang mindset mo, which is, of course, di ba, you are being cheated on. Hindi siya yung right approach. Okay? And yun nga, parang with the Temperance card, parang ayaw mo na lang ng gulo. Okay? Part of you is, ang nakukuha kong energy ngayon na, part of you wants na itigil na to, pero part of you wants to stay. Parang 1 foot in, 1 foot out ka. Okay? Kasi nga, parang ayaw mo ng gulo, ayaw mo confront, pero alam mo sa sarili mo na hindi tama yung nangyayari. Okay? So parang yun, nagtitimpi ka na lang, parang tinatry mo na hindi, ikaw pa rin yung pipiliin. Parang may ganun kang mindset eh. Parang meron ka na hindi, ako pa rin sa huli yung pipiliin niya. Pero do you think it's the right approach here? Diba? Kasi aware ka na eh. And in the near future, dito natin makikita na masasaktan ka pa lalo if hindi ka pa nag-decide ngayon what you should do. Okay? Kasi ito, nakikita ko dito parang with the 8 of coins na mag-e-effort ka pa na mag-stay. Alam mo yun, parang mag-e-effort ka pa na alam mo yun, kahit masakit na, pero nasasaktan ka na dito with the 5 of Swords. 5 of Swords is there's so much red flags na talaga itong person mo. Pero parang ikaw, gusto mo pang magstay, mag-commit sa relationship kahit sobrang nasasaktan ka na. So, hello, wake up. Hindi mo deserve masaktan. Hindi mo deserve na magstay sa isang relationship na alam mong niloloko ka lang, alam mong nasasaktan ka lang, alam mong marami ng red flags, and there's so much toxicity na in the relationship. So, okay? So this is, again, the energy that I get. I'm just reading what the cards are showing. Okay, so if nag-resonate to sa inyo, okay, alam nyo na yung kailangan nyo gawin. Alright? Kasi at the present moment, yung pagtitimpi, pagtitiis, yung mindset na umaasa ka na magiging okay at ikaw pa rin pipiliin, iiwanan din niya yung third party. mag-isip-isip ka pa lalo. Okay, kasi as seen here in the near future, ito, Five of Swords ang kahahantungan mo. Okay? So, tingnan natin yung detalye, but just to remind everyone again, as I always do sa mga previous readings ko rin, this is a collective reading. So, this may or may not resonate with everyone dahil tinatap kong energy dito ay hindi lang isang sign. Tatlo. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Okay? Tapos, syempre, collective pa. So, it may or may not resonate. If this resonates, then, yeah, I hope mabigyan kayo ng guidance. But if not, wag pilitin. It means na hindi ko nga nasagap yung energy ninyo. Or take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Pero kung hindi talaga, abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod ko pang love reading. Baka yun ay mag-resonate na sa inyo. Or panoorin nyo yung mga past videos na na-post ko na baka isa doon ay mag-resonate. Dahil ang tarot and oracle readings naman talaga ay timeless. Okay? Saka best to really book a personal private reading dahil yung reading na yun ay naka-align talaga sa energy nyo. Naka-tune in tayo sa inyo mismo at hindi sa iba. Kaya yung reading talaga ay talagang about you. Okay? Not about everyone or anyone else. Okay, sige. Bubunot tayo dito ng clarification. So, in the recent past nga, di ba, parang there's so much effort, there's so much love, and minahal ka naman ng tao na to. Okay? There was a lot of collaboration then and support na binigay niya. Pero, well, he or she got tempted. So, that's why, let's see. Okay, the Emperor. See. And the Sun. Oh, okay. Yun nga. Sobrang happy mo. Well, the relationship. Pero, kala mo talaga siya na yung the one. Then, with the Emperor card na there's so much, alam mo yun, yung energy of parang stability. Di ba? Na kala mo okay yung relationship dahil nga yung support with the Three of Coins or Three of Pentacles, yung collaboration, you parang pinaplano niyo pa yung mga pinaplano niyo pa yung life niyo together, di ba? So with the Emperor card, alam mo there's really this sense of responsibility and leadership na nung una I can sense yun naman na yun din naman talaga yung naging intention ng person nyo in the recent past before nyo makilala itong third party. Okay? And very happy kayo together, di ba, with the Sun card. However, yun nga, na-involve siya sa third party. Okay? And tingnan natin bakit nagtitimpi ka or bakit you chose to stay and not confront or alam mo yun, bakit mas pinipili mo na umasa at manatili sa relationship? Let's see. Okay. Kasi nga you're still holding on to the idea of you and your person being together na long term, na magsisettle down. Kaya parang ano ka pa, hindi mo pa nabibitawan yung fantasy of the ideal relationship between the two of you. Parang medyo may in denial ka pa sa nangyayari at the present moment. Very in denial ka pa. Kasi here, with the Ten of Cups, and alam mo na may third party, di ba? There's someone else, pero you're still holding on to the idea nga of happily ever after, or diba? With the Ten of Cups, saka Ten of Cups is also the card of love. Mahal mo kasi, well, di ba, mahal mo din kasi talaga yung tao, di ba? So, gets naman. Valid naman yung nararamdaman mo bakit parang ayaw mo pang bumitaw at the moment kasi mahal mo nga yung person. But here, di ba, well, that's the current situation. Pero with the temperance card, oh, okay, and plus some more sa strength card. Okay. With these cards also, you might be dealing with an Aries, a Leo, di ba? And, yun. So, yeah, parang, ano eh, yung, yung belief mo is ma-overcome nyo tong pagsubok na to. Parang ganun. So, I don't see yet the energy kasi nga lalo na nung lumabas kanina yung night of ano nga yun, night of coins na nagpo-progress kasi yung connection ng person mo sa kayong third party. Kaya yeah, well, let's hope and manifest that everything will be all right. Pero sige, sa near future. Okay, so see, Five of Pentacles. Five of Pentacles is also a sad card. Wait lang. Sige, bunutin muna natin yung isa din. So, with the Five of Swords, okay. Tapos, Four of Wands. Okay, so, di ba, yung parang nag-effort ka pa rin, pero lumabas si Five of Coins, and dito sa Five of Coins, sinasabi din talaga that there's a lack of love and affection na from your person. In the near future, lalo na nagpo-progress yung relationship niya with the third party, mas nawawala yung amor niya and yung love niya sa'yo. Okay? Kasi mas nag-i-invest na siya dun sa isa. Okay? With the Five of Pentacles, it's a card of loss, it's a card of sadness, it's a card of, alam mo yun, poverty in the sense of having genuine, honest, and, di ba, faithful na love. And with here, yung sa Five of Swords nga, sabi ko, there will be a lot of sadness, a lot of red flags na and toxicity. And with the Four of Wands din, okay, yun nga yung parang, because sobrang umaasa pa rin, even in the near future, na magkakaroon ng pagkakaayos na iiwan niya yung third party at pipiliin ka. Okay? So, kaya medyo naka-cling ka pa dun sa idea of you and your person being together. Okay, I'm just reading the cards ulit so, I'm just interpreting what the cards are showing. So, again, kung hindi siya nagre-resonate sa inyo, just leave it behind. Okay? Pero, ayun, you're really still in denial pa sa situation. So, tingnan na lang natin ano yung advice ni universe sa inyo when it comes to this. If you're in this situation, tingnan natin ano yung advice ni universe sa inyo. So, bunot tayo ng 3 cards from this oracle deck. That would be the message or advice ni universe sa inyo. So, vervain, holy, and marigold. Okay. So, si vervain is a card of truth and intention. So, yeah, I mean, sinasabi ni universe, harapin mo yung katotohanan. Di ba? It must be in your intention to really face the truth of what's going on sa situation ngayon. And with the holy card, okay, so holy is a card of strength and hope. So, sinasabi din dito ni universe na first, you must have courage to really face it and have the strength to confront the situation. Diba? Ano yung kailangan mong gawin? Kakausapin mo ba yung person mo? Ano yung next steps mo? Dapat may lakas ka ng loob para hindi ka ma-stuck sa situation na hindi ka masaya. Okay? And hope for the best. It's good that you're hoping na magkakaayos kayo, di ba? But also hope that if hindi siya, may darating na person na magmamahal sa'yo ng totoo, ng tama, na hindi ka lolokohin, okay? Hindi ka ipagpapalit sa iba, kasi deserve mo yun. Deserve mo na mahalin ng tama. Lahat naman tayo deserve yun. Okay? And with the marigold card, it's a card of joy and freedom. O, diba? So, sinasabi ni universe nga sa'yo na pag-isipan mo yan na mabuti because if you have decided or you made the right choice, it will give you so much joy and freedom. Okay? Freedom from pain, freedom from heartache, from anxiety, from regret, di ba? And yun lang, papasok lang lahat ng joy and happiness sa life mo. Okay? So sana nakatulong itong reading na to. Abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod ko pang love reading. Dito lang sa aking channel. Ako si Mystico Moreno. Or in short, mismo, kita kids. Ingat!